Well, hello there. The electric revolution has transformed the luxury SUV, no longer just a swap from petrol to battery, but a total reinvention. Today's SUVs are high-tech lounges on wheels, packed with features that feel straight out of science fiction. The big story for 2026? The arrival of the smart SUV. Your car is now as smart as your phone, built from the ground up with next-gen tech. Solid-state batteries are changing the game for range and charging, while AI personalizes every drive. Luxury is now smarter, cleaner, and more exciting to drive. Performance meets responsibility, mind-blowing acceleration, zero emissions. Interiors feature sustainable, eco-friendly materials, recycled plastics, plant-based leathers, without sacrificing comfort. The class of 2026 isn't just about getting from A to B. These vehicles are experiences, personal assistants, and entertainment hubs all in one. Whether you're a tech fanatic, a performance junkie, or a design lover, this new wave of electric SUVs has something for you. Let's dive into what's coming. You might be thinking, we've had luxury SUVs for decades. What's new? The difference is like a flip phone versus a smartphone. Today's SUVs are connected, intelligent, and capable in ways we never imagined. The car is now your daily partner, making life easier, safer, and more enjoyable. Solid-state batteries solve range anxiety and charging time. Think 600 miles on a single charge, and a quick top-up while you grab coffee. AI-powered interiors learn your habits, from seat temperature to your favorite playlist, even suggesting charging stops and coffee breaks. It's like having a personal concierge on board. Luxury is redefined. It's about intelligence and sustainability, not just chrome and leather, reclaimed wood, recycled materials, and eco-friendly finishes create a deeper connection to your car. You're not just buying a status symbol, you're buying into a forward-thinking vision. These SUVs show you care about performance, technology, and the world you drive through. That's a powerful combination. The future of luxury is here. Let's see the contenders. Now, let's get to the fun part. The cars. For 2026, the competition is fierce, with incredible machines from around the globe. I've picked three that define the smart SUV revolution: a tech marvel from China, a family powerhouse from Korea, and an all-electric SUV from the legendary Italian supercar maker. First up, the Avatar 06, a flagship SUV built by Chang'an, KTL, and Huawei, focused on software and processing power. Next, the Hyundai Ioniq 9 Calligraphy, Hyundai's grand statement in the three-row SUV space, blending family practicality, luxury, and sustainability. And finally, the Ferrari Elettrica SUV. Yes, Ferrari's bold leap into electric SUVs, promising prestige, performance, and exclusivity. Each brings advanced tech, stunning performance, and a new take on luxury. The Avatar 06 is for tech lovers. The Ioniq 9 is for families who want it all. The Ferrari Elettrica is for those who demand the ultimate in performance and style. These are the flagships of the smart SUV era. Let's take a closer look at each. Buckle up. Meet the Avatar 06, a collaboration between Chang'an, CATL, and Huawei. This SUV feels more like a sophisticated gadget than a traditional car. Harmony OS integrates seamlessly with your devices, and a panoramic screen creates an immersive digital cockpit. AI-driven features personalize everything: seats, mirrors, climate, lighting, instantly. Under the hood, a semi-solid-state battery pack delivers over 620 miles of range. Ultra-fast charging adds 200 miles in just 10 minutes. Dual-motor all-wheel drive means nearly 700 horsepower and 0-60 in under 3 seconds. Advanced air suspension and rear-wheel steering make it agile and comfortable. The Avatar 06 is a technological showcase and a thrilling drive. It's proof that China is leading the smart SUV charge. Watch this space. Now, the Hyundai Ioniq 9 Calligraphy, Hyundai's electric flagship. This three-row SUV is all about practical, family-oriented luxury. The design is bold yet approachable, with signature lighting and a spacious, airy interior. Swiveling second-row seats create a lounge-like atmosphere, perfect for family trips. Sustainable materials abound: recycled plastics, plant-based leathers, and eco-friendly finishes. Built on Hyundai's eGMP platform, it offers ultra-fast charging, 10% to 80% in about 20 minutes. Over 350 miles of range and vehicle-to-load tech let you power devices or even your home. Dual motor, all-wheel drive delivers over 500 horsepower for effortless acceleration. Adaptive suspension ensures a smooth, serene ride. The Ioniq 9 proves family SUVs can be high-tech, luxurious, and green. Hold on to your hats, Ferrari's making an electric SUV. The Ferrari Elettrica SUV is the most anticipated and controversial car of 2026. Expect a low, wide, aerodynamic shape and a coupe-like roofline, every curve engineered for speed and style. Rumored quad-motor setup means precise torque control, and agility that defies its size. Over 1,000 horsepower and 0-60 in the 2-second range. Ferrari performance, electrified. Ferrari is crafting a unique sound profile, amplifying the electric motors, for a thrilling, authentic experience. The interior blends carbon fiber, Alcantara, and fine metals in a driver-focused cockpit. It's not just about numbers, it's about emotion, drama, and exclusivity. The Elettrica SUV is a bold statement. Ferrari's future is electric, and it's still pure Ferrari. For those who can afford it, this is the ultimate in performance and prestige. The legend evolves. Let's talk solid-state batteries. Why are they such a game-changer? Traditional lithium-ion batteries are heavy, degrade over time, and limit charging speed. Solid-state batteries use a solid electrolyte, making them lighter, safer, and more energy-dense. More energy and less space means longer range and better handling. They're inherently safer, no flammable liquids, and last longer, maintaining range for years. Ultra-fast charging is now possible, hundreds of miles in 10-15 minutes. This transforms electric car ownership. Quick stops, no compromise. Designers can build sleeker, lighter cars with more interior space. Solid-state tech is the key to making electric SUVs practical for everyone. The Avatars 06 and others are leading the way. Soon this tech will be everywhere. The future of batteries is solid, and it's here now. Step inside these 2026 SUVs. The interiors are as revolutionary as the batteries. AI is now your digital butler, learning your routines, music, and driving style. It proactively suggests calls, adjusts comfort, and even monitors for driver fatigue. AI-powered navigation predicts traffic and reroutes you seamlessly. Voice commands are finally conversational. Just say, "I'm cold," and the car responds. Sustainability is the new luxury dashboards from recycled fishing nets, seats from plant-based leathers, and fabrics from recycled bottles. These materials are soft, durable, and breathable. No compromise on comfort. The result, cabins that feel premium and responsible. Automakers are competing to innovate with eco-friendly materials and intelligent tech. The combination of AI and sustainability defines the new era of luxury. You get a beautiful, high-tech space and peace of mind. This is the future of interiors. So, what does all this mean for you? The luxury SUV is now a symbol of innovation and conscious consumption, not just size and power. Electric motors outperform combustion engines, and battery tech solves range and charging worries. Our digital and physical lives are merging. Cars, without smart tech, feel outdated. The Avatar 06, Ioniq 9, and Ferrari Elettrica are just the beginning. Today's flagship tech will soon be in every car. Solid-state batteries, AI, and sustainable materials. These SUVs make electric cars more desirable, practical, and exciting. They're more than transportation. They're intelligent partners for modern life. The future of the automobile is here, and it's fantastic. Whether you crave performance, tech, or sustainability, there's a smart SUV for you. The revolution is underway. Ready for a drive? Let's hit the road.